Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add text on lock screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to lock screen settings. And here, click on add text on lock screen, so that you can type any text here and that can be set as lock screen text. Okay, so here just I type my website name called www.facultyon.com facultyon.com facultyon.com and click on OK. You can include any name here, your business name or your name or your child name or your relation name or your wife name or your friend name or whatever you want. Just you can type here and click on OK and go to home screen, then put lock in your phone and over the lock screen near that is below clock icon you will see your text. Okay, that included text here www.facultyon.com is showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily add text on lock screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.